dance. Which country has the best dancers?
Nigeria.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? So guys, today I am not alone. I am here with my friend. So I am here with my guest and my friend. I am Drpreneur. So I will leave her link in the description area down below, or even on the screen right now. So just do check her out, okay? And today we'll be doing the Nigerian and the Ghanaian tag.
Yes,
guys. I hope Nigeria wins.
Yes,
okay.
She hopes Nigeria wins. I know Ghana is going to win.
Fingers crossed, guys.
But if we lose, I'm gonna make noise.
You know, like, yeah, if we lose, we lose. Anyone does, you know, yeah. I mean, Nigerian and Ghanaian, we are one, okay? So, yeah. Stay tuned, guys, and don't go anywhere because this is gonna be hilarious.
It's gonna be hilarious.
It's gonna be hilarious. And guys, before you begin to watch, click the like button. Share this video right now with your friends, your family, whoever, and subscribe if you haven't.
Ghanaians, I love our wedding. I love how, you know, traditional we are and everything. But whenever I see the Nigerian wedding, I'm like,
my gosh,
I just want to marry today,
guys. Nigerians,
I'll go for Nigeria.
oh my god, like wherever that wedding is happening, wherever we are going, like we love big weddings, we love massive weddings, and like the clothes, the material,
the gele,
the gele, ashrebi, everything is always on point. It's like the guy's family, they have a different color of clothes to wear. The girl's family, they have a different color of clothes to wear. The girl's friends, they have a different color of clothes to wear.
They actually spend money.
Yes, like everything is just you know, so colorful, so beautiful.
That's true.
Oh my gosh.
But I can say it's also really nice.
Of course.
Have, like,
oh my gosh, yes.
I think the kente is actually the coat of many colors like we talked about. But it's really pretty.
It's really pretty, yeah.
But I'll still go for the Nigerian one. Ghanaians love funerals, guys.
I don't know why, but Ghanaians love funerals. Like, I do not know. Probably they are like, maybe thinking they are celebrating the life, like the person is not completely dead. There is life after death.
My friend, that's not it though. They just love to, you know, like they just like, they have a saying that when you're alive, you know, people will not help you, but when you die, that's when you come and show off at your funeral. That's the thing. I know, like, people actually hire people to just come and cry at your funeral, like strangers to come and cry. Yes, they do hire people, like, you know, funeral contractors.
Oh my god.
They hire them to just come and cry to make the funeral more lively and all that. They love funerals, so
that is crazy. Yeah, but you know, I think it's same thing here too. You know, musicians, like during funerals, you see them dancing
and all that,
singing. Nigeria, I think, is more of the wedding for us.
Yeah,
like,
more of the wedding.
The wedding, we celebrate it like massively.
Yeah.
Okay, for the funeral is Ghanaians. They have like the best. Like, just give it to them. And when it comes to the wedding, Nigerians, yeah. If you know the history of Nigeria and Ghana, guys, you will know that there has been this battle, and I don't know why there should even be a competition.
I don't even know.
I don't know why there should even be like a debate about this, but Nigeria and Ghana, they've been fighting about who has the best jollof rice. And guys, for me, I like the both of them. Okay, that is me. But For me, because I'm Nigerian.
You see the bias there. I was waiting for that. You see the bias right there.
Because I'm Nigerian, I am going to pick Nigeria jollof.
You see the bias right there. See, let me tell you. When I first came to this island, the first jollof I ate was made by the Nigerians.
Okay.
And I loved that jollof. I'm not kidding. That's
guys, even Gladys
see, I'm honest.
Jollof,
Yes.
like her jollof is actually very, very delicious.
Very delicious.
You know, honestly, Gladys can cook. Like I give it to her. Like
thank you.
I feel like
yeah, but I also enjoyed like
Nigerian jollof.
Like I'm like
I don't know where this competition is coming from because jollof didn't even need to migrate from Nigeria or Ghana. West Africa, I think Senegalese or
that's
somewhere.
That's what they say. But me, I don't even know where.
Somewhere in West Africa, but Nigeria and Ghana,
they've been going at each other.
They've been going at each other because of this jollof.
And
I
love Nigeria.
I don't get it.
I love Ghana.
If I see Ghana jollof, I'm going to eat it and enjoy it.
Yes.
Nigerian jollof, I'm going to eat it and enjoy it. So
definitely,
that's just it. Okay. Ghana or Nigeria? Guys, it is definitely Nigeria!
My Ghana people will miss me, oh!
You are finished!
They will miss me! They will miss me.
Oh my goodness! Guys, Nigerian men, they are kind.
They are romantic.
They are romantic. They are like they spend money on you.
They spend money.
Ghanaians are stingy. Ghanaian men, they are stingy. Ghanaian men are not romantic.
Okay.
Please, if you're a Ghanaian man, please don't come and beat me up. Okay,
guys. Okay.
Please, disclaimer, please. Please. Okay.
I don't know about
take
that.
It seriously.
I don't know about that. Like I've dated like a couple of Ghanaian guys, but like to me, I didn't really expect like when I'm dating someone, I don't really expect like things from like the opposite sex. So when it comes to being stingy, like I don't really know much about that, right? But I just know that Nigerian guys are fun to be with, right? And if you get one that is really serious about you, right?
Yeah.
Like he's for real, like serious about you. Like Ghanaian guys are
it's not like people though.
Nah, if you get one that is serious about
somebody like that.
Yeah, it's really serious about. And then if you really like, if you are open to be spoiled, like you'll be spoiled to the core.
Oh my god!
Right? If you don't want to be spoiled to like there are so many things about Nigerian guys. They are like it's like they're very mature when it comes to dating. They're very mature when it comes to dating. You can have a Ghanaian like 30-year-old Ghanaian guy, and then maybe a 25-year-old Nigerian guy. But then when I try the sense of maturity in terms of dating, me, I'll always go for Nigerian guys. Don't beat me, my Ghanaian guys. But this one,
honestly, Nigerian guys, I can say that because I have a brother. Like honestly, like Nigerian guys are so kind. Yeah. They are caring. If you meet, like majority of them are okay upstairs though. But if you go with the yeye one,
yeah, they're very, very protective too.
Oh, very, very guys. But if you go meet the yeye one, don't say that we said that Nigerian men are good though. If you meet the yeye one, just push down one side. Okay,
we can have a lot to say about
but a lot of Nigerian guys, oh my gosh, they are just
when you're living with a Nigerian guy, he will not expect you to
you won't like
take out the garbage, maybe go and fill the gas,
like guys, they are so caring.
They'll do the manly stuff and leave the feminine things for you.
Oh my god.
But when you're living with a Ghanaian guy, it's like everything's like it's your turn. It's your turn. It's your turn to fill the gas. It's your turn to empty the garbage. Like romantico. Ghanaians, you should change. You guys should change. You guys should change.
Ghanaians, please change, okay?
Yeah, you marry me.
Definitely Nigeria, guys. Oh my god, our music industry like be popping. Honestly, and artists like they are known internationally as well. Even here, I hear Davido's song, I hear Wizkid's songs, I hear even this Messi Chinwo.
Even here, that's
Sinach is Nigerian. I hear her songs here.
The thing about Ghana music is that Ghanaians have nice music, right? But it's about the marketing. And then it's also about like the language, like mostly like most of the music that
exactly
always speaking Chi. Like
I've told a Ghanaian that why is it that you people love speaking your dialect?
Because like babes, listen, like if Sarkodie raps in our local language, in our dialect, like you need to understand it to get the vibe.
Exactly.
Like, the lyrics is like everything is on point. So the thing is, you need to be a Ghanaian to enjoy Ghanaian music. But if you really want to grow as like an industry, you need to be versatile. Like you need to let people.
Everyone can speak Chi.
Everyone can speak Chi, but that's why like it's out there that Nigerian music is better than Ghanaian music. But
Nigerians speak
nice Ghanaian
English while singing. Just a little bit of the maybe Yoruba, Igbo, and the Pidgin and all of
Let's
that.
Let's say 80% English, maybe 20% the local dialect. But Ghana is like 70% the local dialect and maybe 30% English. So it's like you just pick up few things and you forget it eventually.
Exactly. They are so tribalistic when it comes to things like that. So like he's just somehow It is hard for me to watch a Ghanaian stop and laugh. You know, but like, see, it's not because I am Nigerian. They like speaking everything in Chi. Okay, so even their banter is in Chi.
Then you wouldn't understand.
So you wouldn't understand it except you are Ghanaian. Alright, but you know, Nigerian, like
whatever you see, like you want to laugh.
Yes, English and everything. Like not that this thing we don't also do it in our dialect or stuff like that, but it's mostly in Chi and everybody can understand it. You can even put it on Shade Room. Everybody can understand it. But Ghanaian banter is like for Ghanaians alone.
You have to really like be living among Ghanaians to actually get it.
Like you will hear this in something, they'll be laughing and you'll be like,
what is going on? But like they're really fun. Ghanaians are like the most hilarious people I know. But as you said, you really can't get it unless, because I have Nigerian friends and I'm always like today I was showing my friend something on my phone and I'm like, okay, so this person said this and then this one replied this way, and it will take a while for the person to assimilate and then like
exactly.
But then when you see like Nigerian, the moment you see it, like you know that you are laughing already.
Guys, a typical Nigerian man is a comedian. Like Nigerians are these people that even when it's a serious issue, they turn it into a joke. You know, like they just turn it into a joke and you just start laughing on Twitter, on Instagram, like like Nigerians, oh my god, like
as they'll say, I can't come and kill
myself.
I can't kill myself.
I can't come and kill myself. You know, so so they just need to like also laugh about things like that. So so guys, for the Pidgin is definitely Nigeria.
See, guys flow in Pidgin. Like
you need to hear a Ghanaian speak Pidgin.
No,
like,
we have our own Pidgin.
You'll be lost.
We have our own Pidgin. That's the thing.
You'll be lost. Like it's like I don't know. Like it's like the opposite of what. Like I don't know, guys. Honestly, but Nigerians, our Pidgin is really straightforward.
Yeah, straightforward.
If you say like I'm coming, is and they come. You get like even when you don't really understand it, but you shall get it sometimes. You know, and they come. But
no, you know we mix Chi with Pidgin. Like we mix the Chi with like Chi is sweet too.
Chi is sweet for Ghanaian. Chi is sweet for someone that can understand it. Someone like me, I can't speak Chi. So when you are speaking Chi to me, it's like I'll just be looking at you because I don't know what you are expecting me to do. Because I can't respond to what I don't know anything about. What is I am coming in Ghanaian Pidgin?
Me, I don't know. I don't speak Pidgin. So I don't know. Tush Ghanaian. No, okay, say something. Let's see. What about I don't know.
This is a Tush Ghanaian right here. can speak Pidgin very well.
Port Harcourt girls, man.
I'm a Port Harcourt girl.
Me, I'm American, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, American on the loose. I'm from Kumasi. I'm supposed to be speaking Pidgin right now. Kumasi girl, like it's like being a Port Harcourt girl in Nigeria. So it's like
I'm not knowing how to speak Pidgin.
Like what a pity.
Why? Enough be happen.
All I know is no wahala. That happy taught me.
No wahala. Meaning no problem.
No problem.
Yeah. That one is very obvious. That one is very obvious. Okay. When it comes to safety, Ghana is more safe.
She said it though.
Than Nigeria. Guys, in Ghana, you can walk on the streets at about 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 p.m. in Ghana.
And then you'll be safe as like
Nigeria.
Like you're walking in heaven with angels, you know, behind you and all.
Nigeria, it used to be safe, guys, but right now, it's not safe anymore. Like, either you'll be robbed, you'll be raped, you'll be kidnapped, you know, a lot of things.
So let me ask this, like, so in Nigeria, like, when do the shops close? You know, here, like, on Saturdays, they close by 2 p.m. and on weekdays, they close by 5. When do they close?
It's actually like a 247 thing. That is how it was before I left Nigeria. Alright, so, but recently, because of the crime rate now that has gone really high, so a lot of people now, they close, you know, at about maybe 10, 11, still late, but they have security personnel, you know, around, you know, them and all of that. So you just like there are some areas that are safe, that are safer than most. So like if you know that your shop, you know, resides where is really dangerous at night, you just know that you have to close really early and then go home. But right now there's even a curfew in Nigeria. I think the curfew starts at about 10 or 11 p.m. because of this whole COVID thing. I don't know if COVID is nocturnal, but guys, it
comes out in the night.
I cannot understand, okay?
It comes out in the night in Nigeria.
I cannot understand, okay? So, but I mean, they are doing what they are doing, okay? Just like every state, every country is doing what they're doing to see how they can curb this. All right. So, but that is so right now there is a curfew, and you have to, you know, leave your workplace early so you can get home before the curfew starts and all of that. So I think the curfew starts at about 10 or 11 and then ends at 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning, something like that. So yeah.
Guys, I know Ghanaians are loud, but Nigerians can be really loud.
Ghanaians. Oh, Charlie!
Like when me and the family, it's like
oh my god!
No, wait though.
Guys,
there's loud and loud.
Gladys and a fear.
So there's loud and loud.
What is that in that? They should tell you for you. What is it?
Ajwa. My name is Ajwa. Chidi was like, Gladys, what was Ajwa? Ajwa is my name.
Every time I hear,
because
Ajwa.
Before if you had
Ajwa,
the man is my mom. Chidi, be careful. The thing is, do you know why, guys? Do you know why Chidi is saying that? So I have this friend who always shouts my name before she opens my door. She'll be shouting, Ajwa, where are you? Ajwa. Everybody will wake up.
And like when they are talking,
when we are
hearing them from a mile away.
See, the thing is, we are always excited. If you know Ghanaians, right? If you know Ghanaians, like the listening excites us. We are just hyper. But there is loud and loud. Chidi, you guys can be loud though. Nigerians can be loud. Guys, believe me, Nigerians can be so loud. This one goes to Nigeria. You can't rate this based on me and Efia.
Nigerians cannot only be loud, guys.
They be loud.
But hey, Ghanaians, Charlie,
like we have high pitch. Like
Like you will hear them talking from a mile away. Like, you know, there's a difference between someone having a high pitched voice. I have a high pitched voice.
I don't, man.
Yeah, but that one is not the kind of loud I am talking about. You need to hear Ghanaians having a conversation, guys. Oh my god, you would think that something is happening outside. You will like open your door and come out like, and it's people just talking. You want to look at them and say, are you guys okay? Like, is everything fine?
It's not like arguing, you know. Like for the guys, I can say the guys are loud. Like when they are arguing
about politics,
they are very loud.
Football.
But for the girls, we are not loud. You Chidi, are you not loud?
I can be loud.
Yeah, this one is both ways. I'm not gonna agree. I'm not gonna agree. Sounds we Pidgin. I'm not gonna agree. Hey, watch me do my asante. Shake it. So guys, when it comes to dance, which country has the best dancers?
Nigeria. Guys, it is Nigeria.
It's Ghanaians. How can you even say that? Chidi.
Our leg walk.
What's she talking about?
Leg walk.
Guys, we're still talking about dance, right?
Yes.
It's Ghanaians. Everybody knows. See, guys, let an ant walk like this, we will dance to it. Let a fly do we will shake our body. Anything we will dance to. No, we're not talking about like those who have, come up with dance. See, you can come up with 100 dance moves and we'll be better than you guys. You will come up with the dance, but we will dance it better. Even I want to dance. I want to dance to your laughter. Beat the chair now. Start doing something. I can dance to her laughter. I'm telling you. What did I can dance to. Even if when I'm cooking and I use the ladle to hit the pot, quick. I feel like I'm not kidding. That is Ghanaian. We dance. See, when I'm cooking, I dance.
Okay, guys.
When I'm up, I dance.
I give it to them, man.
Give it to us. Give it.
The ladies with the big Ghana or Nigeria?
Oh, Ghana all the way. See, I should wait for you to say it.
Ghana. It's like 10 people load. It's like, things that 5 girls will have
one
person will carry. I will not be looking at them like, what is going on here?
You got the nyash, baby.
What is going on in this place?
Even the tiniest person has that. See, my cousins, like, I think have one that's 4 years and one that's 3 years. Like, if you look at them, it's that trouble. Like,
it's coming out.
Like nyash and hips, like you can see baby like that has when you put on diapers, the diapers will take it for.
Ay, mamacita,
señorita.
Oh my god,
the nyash day. As for the nyash day, it day.
Is it for Ghanaians?
You can attest to my nyash.
Guys, Ghanaians is day. He's not the Nigerians that we don't have.
No.
But when you want to compare, oh my gosh, Ghanaians is day.
Then people have been trying to figure out like how come we have like big nash. And people say it's the waist beads. See, guys, it's the banku. It's the banku. It's the banku. It's the banku.
Guys, you know what banku is? It's a delicacy in Ghana.
Banku and kenke will make you like this. I'm telling you, banku, you want nash, stop all this exercise. I won't bring it. Okay, guys. So we have come to the end of this video.
video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much guys for staying till the end. Okay guys, please, I know I have not officially come to explain to you guys what happened, why I haven't been here and why I haven't been filming and posting. Okay guys, so happy new year. But I'm still gonna like greet you guys, okay, like in a better way, okay, next time. All right, so guys, I miss you guys so much. You guys don't even want to know, but I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit how much I missed you guys. Yeah, so guys, please, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, to subscribe if you haven't. Please guys, share these videos with your friends, with your families, with whomever. Guys, please share, okay? Share these videos guys, and like it. Comment if you are Ghanaian, if you are Nigerian, if you are even a Vincentian, whoever you are, just comment and tell us your thoughts. And tell us what you think about this video and who should win and why they should win. Okay guys, I hope you found this video so funny. Yeah, thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. I hope you're keeping safe. Yes, COVID is very real. It's out there guys. Because keep safe, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Bye.